So in our next slide, we have an introduction that we've written over there. That is hydroelectric power generation harnesses the energy of flowing or falling water to produce electricity. The process has got various steps. Now, Gideon Kemboy, would you kindly read us the steps that we follow? If you can see the screen.
Okay, let me start with the first step, the water source. Hydroelectric power plants are usually located near a water source, such as a river or a dam in the summer. The availability, storage of water are critical factors in the efficiency of hydroelectric power generation. Then in the second step is the dam. In many cases, a dam is built across a river to create a reservoir. Dam so the water level creating a high difference between the water beyond the dam and the river downstream.
Okay, thank you. Well, let's take us to the next slide. Well,
Yeah. Yes. The next slide talks about the penstock. The turbine way about the penstock. The demanded the dammed water is released or allowed to flow into a penstock, a large pipe, or a tunnel. The penstock directs the flow of water to the turbine, whereby the turbine under high pressure, water from the penstock strikes the face of the turbine. The turbine converts the kinetic energy of the flowing water into mechanical energy by forcing the turbine.
thank you. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Take us to the next slide.
Then we have the steps. The next step is the generator. The rotating turbine is connected to the generator. As the turbine spins, turns the generator which produces electricity. Generators in hydroelectric power plants are usually based on electromobility production principles. Then the next step is the transformer. The electricity generated by the generator is tidally in the form of a magnetic current that is AC. The transformers are used to increase the voltage of the electricity for efficient long distance transmission.
Okay, thank you. And now we're after production with energy. And being stepped up, we have the transmission stage, where the electricity is then transmitted through a network of power lines to homes, businesses, and industries. Transformers may be used again to step down the voltage, yeah? Because there are industries or homes that use low voltage, like in industries, we'll use 415, 400, but in our normal homes or businesses, we use 220 to 240. Therefore, there is need for stepping down the voltage to a usable level. After transmission, we have the distribution, and at the end of the transmission line, the electricity is definitely distributed to various consumers for various uses. And when we look at the process, there is the return flow, where water, after hitting the blades of the turbine, the water needs to be released back to the downstream, and then it will return to the essential flow, maintaining the natural flow of the ecosystem. And now we have our diagram here. Would somebody tell me any stage that you can identify from the diagram? Gideon, any stage that we talked about that you can identify from the diagram? Yes, Gideon.
You have the transformer.
You have the transformer.
You have the water source, the dam.
Water source from the dam. As you can see my pointer. Yes. Any other thing that you can identify, Felix? The generator, yes.
I can see the turbine.
The turbine, thank you.
And also water discharge.
The water discharge, that is what we talked about, like the return flow, right? Now, somebody tell me, what is the importance of having waterhead? What is the importance of having waterhead in hydroelectric power generation process? Gideon, Felix, the importance of having a waterhead?
The purpose of having a water head is to get the pressure for the to get the sufficient pressure for the water flow through the waste.
To create pressure, right? What's the importance of the penstock?
The function of the penstock is to channel the water to the turbines.
Okay, thank you. I want to thank you so much for attending this day's class, and I would beseech us to go do more research on hydroelectric power stations that we have in Kenya. You can name them, and we shall discuss them in our next class. Is there anybody with a question? Any question?
Yes.
Okay.
How does a generator work?
Okay, a good question. Class, Felix is asking a question on how the generator works. Would somebody respond? Kindly, somebody respond.
Okay, the function of the generator is to drive the water turbine, where the water turbine will be converting the generator. The main function of generator is converting mechanical energy from water to electrical energy, which will be stored and supplied by or transmitted by the transformers.
Okay, thank you. Any other person? Any other response? Geoffrey? Is Geoffrey in?